welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. People throng to horticulture outlets as prices of vegetables soar in general markets. Continuous supply of vegetables to local markets unsure. Six cabinet ministers support Mopa Airport. Two oppose the project to take a neutral stand. Two ministers maintain silence. Debate on Mopa heats up in the state. Meat traders and consumers not satisfied with the quality of procured beef from Karnataka, says beef is stale, demand immediate resumption of slaughtering at Goa Meat Complex. Enforcement of LPG subsidy in bank accounts deferred by 15 days, scheme to be enforced from 1st June in 20 districts across 8 states. And investigation of the double murder case still with controversial old Goa PI Devendra Garg, no action even after 48 hours. Guards inaction allegedly led to second murder at Muses. And now the news in detail. Horticulture outlets witnessed huge crowd on Thursday due to sky-high prices of vegetables in local markets. Government has threatened to take over all the markets if retailers fail to regulate prices within next 2 days. Number of trucks entered Goa with fresh stock of vegetables on Thursday, but wholesalers say that continuous supply from the neighboring states is not assured.
कारण हाचो त्रास जो आहा हो गोंयचे जनतेक जाता हांच्यांनी जर भर ना घेतली आनी मार्केट सुरळीत जशे पयलीं चलताले तशें जर ना केलें जाल्यार आमी हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन आनी सरकार दोनूय मेळोन संपूर्ण मार्केटाचेर आमचो ताबो घेतले. आमकां फक्त एक स्किमीन आमकां रिवायज प्लॅन करचो पडटलो जेणे करून आमी संपूर्ण आयज आमी 625 फक्त आमी गाड्यांचेर भाजीची सप्लाय करता. फाल्यां आमी जे हांगासर रिटेलर आहा हेंकाय आमी हाडून होलसेल सप्लाय करपाची आमी एक तजवीज करपाचे एक विचार केल्लो आहा. जरी तर तेंच्यांनी 1-2 दिसा भितर हे मार्केट सुरळीत केले आनी सप्लाय जर गोंयच्या लोकांक दिली, गोंयांक सप्लाय दिली, मार्केटाक शॉर्टेज ना जाली जाल्यार आमी हो विचार फाटी घेतले. जो आयज आमी सप्लाय माल करतात पळय आमच्या गाड्यांक हो रेटी बद्दल पळयलो जाल्यार हितून तुमकां सांगले 8 ते 10 रुपया पर केजी. फाल्यां जर आमी सप्लाय करूंक लागना सरकार जे रेटीन थंय पडटा जो कितें खर्च आसता मिनिमम जो चार्जीस आसता हो काडटले आनी तांकां सप्लाय करतले. गोंयच्या रिटेलराक तेंच्या सप्लायरा पेक्षा आमचे कडसून सवाय मेळटले.
आज भाजी जी सदां पावता पळय तशीच आयज भाजी पावलेली आसा पूण ती सुद्दां 2 दीस भाजी बंद आसली. भाजी मार्केट म्हणजे ट्रकवाल्यांचो स्ट्रायका खातीर भाजी मार्केटान गोंयान भाजी भरूंक ना पूण ते ट्रकवाले आसा तेंच्यांनी भाजी मार्केटान येवन सांगलें की भाजी भरूं नाका आमी आडयतले म्हणून. तर तेंच्यांनी आपल्या रिस्कार तेंच्यांनी भाजी भरली आनी त्या प्रमाणे तेंच्यांनी ते खानापुराक आनी कणकोबी राती एकाक सुमार 12-12:30 गाडयो आडयल्यो. मागीर थंयच्यान ते बेळगोंयचे जे भाजीवाले कोण सप्लायर आसा तेंच्यांनी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केलें की आजचो दीस सोडा फाल्यां आमी भरिना म्हणून. मग तेंच्यांनी गाडी त्यो सोडल्यो. त्या प्रमाणे आज साबान म्हाका दिसता गोंयान सगळ्याक भाजी पावली. आज अजून आतां आमी बेळगांव फोन लावन आमी त्या सप्लायरांक किंवा ट्रान्सपोर्टवाल्यांक फोन करून विचारलें तर ते म्हणटा आमची मिटींग चालू आसा आनी आयचे कांय ते शुवर ना. म्हणजे आज फाल्यां भाजी आमकां गव्हर्मेंटचें म्हणणं आमकां येत की ना हें आमकां अजून खबर ना.
Cabinet is not united on the issue of Mopa Airport. Prudent contacted ministers over the phone. 6 are in support of Mopa, 2 have opposed the project. 2 of the ministers have taken a neutral stand, whereas 2 others were not available for comments till late evening. Forest Minister Alina Saldana and Fisheries Minister Vartan Furtado have already cleared their stand by attending the public meet organized to oppose Mopa at Margaon.
Forest Minister Alina Saldana and Fisheries Minister Vartan Furtado declared their stand by attending a public meet organized to oppose Mopa at Margaon. Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza says Mopa and Daboli both necessary. Mopa Airport is a promise in BJP's manifesto on the basis of which people have elected them. Lakshmikant Parsekar, the health minister, says 2 airports will not hamper anything instead. MOPA is needed for tourism growth. Danan Mandrekar, the water resource minister, says I support MOPA. Daboli should also continue. Tourism Minister Dilip Parwekar says MOPA is need of the hour. Daboli should be retained. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar says I am with the government's decision. MOPA and Daboli both are required. Corporation Minister Deepak Dharwekar says government has already cleared its stand, so what is the need of my comment? Power Minister Milind Naik says ask Chief Minister, government supports MOPA. Whereas Sudhin Dharwekar, the PWD Minister, and Mahadev Naik, Industries Minister, were not contactable till late night. A senior reporter, Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Meat traders and consumers in Goa are not satisfied with the imported beef from Karnataka. They complain that the beef is stale, it is not fresh. Traders have demanded immediate resumption of slaughtering in Goa meat complex. Meat traders say consumers are not happy and there is decrease in sale of beef.
फ्रेश माल थोड़ा नहीं आता हो फ्रेश एकदम फ्रेश गोवा मीट कंपनी में जो मिलता है वो नहीं मिलता है पहले का और अभी का धंदा स्लो होला है मतलब बिजनेस थोडा ऑफ होला आहे ते आता मास पळय आमगे कापताले ते बरे आशिल्ले आता ते कर्नाटकाच्यान मास येत म्हणले मातशें हिंगा येत म्हणले इस्मायल मारता आनी रेटू वाडयल्ली आहा तेंच्यान येत म्हणले कस्टम सगळे लागता तांकां आनी मातशे पयशे बी चड लागता आनी तिका लागून ते वाडून विकपाक सोदता आनी तितले आमकां जाय तितले मास हिंगा मेळनाय सारकें आता मास येत म्हणले आं फ्रेश मेळना प्लस पयशे बी चड
ताका खंय टेस्ट तितलो हे आसना जो टेस्ट हांगाच्या मासाक आसता त्या ठिकाणी ते थंय फ्रिजीन धरून ताजो जो टेस्ट सारको टोटली चेंज जाता मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साक जाय म्हणटा तेंगे डिमांड त्या ठिकाणी आनी जाय ते लुकसाण जालें तांकां इतले दीस भर आनी आमकांय त्रास जाले
अभी उधर से कर्नाटक से बीफ आ रहा है वो बराबर नहीं आ रहा है हमारे को जो बीफ आ रहा है वो पूरा फ्रोज़न के सरका आ रहा है कस्टमर का जो पूरा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि पहले से का भी मीट नहीं मिल रहा है कस्टमर अभी बुमड़ी मार रहा है हमारे को क्या तो पहले से अभी पूरा कर्नाटक से अभी गाड़ी में गोश्त आ रहा है पूरा हरा सा का दिख रहा है तो कस्टमर लेने के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है अभी.
However, meat shops in Panji were closed due to shortage of meat. It is known that only 2 trucks of beef was imported from Belgaum, which was insufficient for Goa.
As far as supply is concerned, 2 vehicles had come, reached Goa 6:30 in the morning. Beef was supplied. Again, tomorrow 2 vehicles are come, and day after tomorrow 4 vehicles will come.
Meanwhile, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has said government has not taken the shortage seriously.
The aim of that body, which he was advising, the objective was achieved. They wanted a closure to a complete stoppage to the business of beef in Goa, to the sale, to the slaughter, to everything of beef, which they have achieved. And the Chief Minister was advising these people.
Reporters Mukesh Kumar, Mayur Naik with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.